and welcome to the Paragon Terraces and Duplexes. This is a stunning collection of elegantly designed home. This is situated at the Meridian Boulevard Estate in Abrama-Desoya. And the beautiful thing about this is that it is family friendly. Step into the future with our cutting-edge smart homes where architecture meets with modern-day design. Trust me, with the Paragon Terraces and Duplexes, will give you an array of functionality that will give you a comfortable living. With our automated doors, our advanced home network, a top security system. Trust me when I say that your peace of mind is our priority. And that's not all. Enjoy an advanced lighting system, 24 hours power supply, all at your fingertips.
Choose from our varieties of layouts to suit your needs and preferences. Our 2-bedroom terrace plus BQ is selling at 60 million naira. The 3-bedroom terrace plus BQ is selling at 71 million naira. Our 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex plus BQ is selling at 81 million naira, while our 4-bedroom semi-detached plus BQ is selling at 93.5 million naira, while our 4-bedroom fully detached plus a BQ is selling at 115 million naira.
And let's not forget the beautiful neighborhood around this project. We have the Abrama-Desoya Estate, the Mobile Estate, the Inoyo Estate, the Atikan and Miami beaches, as well as other private beaches. We have lands for sale 500 and 300 square meters valued at 50 and 36 million naira only. Note that this is only valued for outright payment. How about do not miss out on this exceptional opportunity? So take a step now to securing your dream home. With that said, let's get started.